So everybody's always asking me, Rich, what are you buying next, Rich? So today, I bought me some FSD Pharma, otherwise known as Huge. And I'm pretty excited about it. Have you heard of Huge? My goodness. This thing is a beast. I couldn't believe it when I found it at 16 cents. But the reality is, your boy Rich, I brought it to you first before it did its IPO when it was at like 11 cents. And since then, it has only gone, well, it went down to 7 cents briefly, and has since started to climb. So I had my eye on it, and I thought maybe I missed this one, and then I saw it dip back down to 16, and today, I had to get me some Huge. It's true. I had to get me some Huge. Building the largest indoor hydroponic facility, oh yeah, only 630,000 square feet, and at 16 cents, 70 acres. It was too good to be true. I had to get me some. Now the beauty of it was, because it's at 16 cents, for $1,250, I picked up 7,500 shares. Now this bad boy goes to $1, that's $7,500, and that would be about a $6,300 profit on a $1,250 investment. And that's the type of play that your boy Rich likes to make. So that's what I did today. I bought me some FSD Pharma. Okay. Now, let's look at this a little bit. Let's see the way it's traded. So you can see it opened up around 11 cents, okay? This is where it opened up on its IPO. And it exploded initially, went as high as 17 cents. Then it came all the way back down to 7 cents. And this was the time to buy, clearly, when it got down to 7 cents here on June 12th. Now, at this time, I was looking at this company, but I thought, man, they had too many shares out. Something's not right. Why are they going down? Obviously, the initial buyers probably just dumped their shares. First money in, first money out. I get it. So since then, it went up, had a big rise all the way up to 20 cents, and then has recently just come back down as low as 15 cents. And today I picked it up at 16, and you can see it's around 16.5 cents. But you can see here that it has performed, and it is up 120% from its low lows. It's down 17.5% from its high highs. This is just one that I had to have. The news, the information on it is just too big. I just was too excited reading some of their news. I mean, let's just look at it. World's largest indoor cannabis facility. Wow, like right there alone. That's pretty big comment to make. Fully backed and growing. The legalization of recreational cannabis is getting closer every day in Canada, and producers are busier than Santa's elves on Christmas Eve, making sure their operations are ready to provide the provinces and territories with enough supply. Will it be enough? Some journalists don't think so. However, one company in the business is planning to produce upwards of 400,000 kilograms of pot a year from the biggest production facility on earth. That's right, 400,000 kilograms of pot a year from the biggest production facility on earth. And oh yeah, it's only at 16 cents. So that's why your boy Rich, I just had to kind of pounce on this. I had to go and buy some. I probably paid a little bit of a premium. I probably paid a little bit more than I should have. I should have got it earlier, but it's better late than never. That's kind of the way I'm thinking with this one because I just think that it has so much upside. And like, let's just go back to the website here. Let's just read about this. So, headquartered at the former Kraft plant in Cobourg, Ontario. Yeah, that's a pretty big plant. See that plant? Yeah, they're in that plant. Approximately an hour's drive from Toronto, FSD Pharma's management mission is to transform the facility into the largest hydroponic indoor cannabis facility in the world. My goodness. My goodness, my goodness. Hello, Beverly Mays. How you doing today? Yeah, I think Huge is very handsome. I think Huge has amazing, amazing features and is very beautiful. And I just bought me so Huge today. So anybody that's watching, please remember Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. We are not licensed advisors. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that you hear about or see on Rich TV Live. Okay? Now, I bought this today, but just because I bought it doesn't mean you have to buy it. It could go up. It could go down. Its name is Huge. I think it's going to be huge, and I'm just trying to tell you why, okay? So please, if you like this video, smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more updates. If you haven't hit that bell already for notifications, hit that bell. Every single time I go live, you will get a notification, and I'll let you know which ones I'm buying, which ones I like, which ones I don't like, and why. But I actually go into these companies, and I bring them to you first, and then what I do is I go and I do the research. So I'm trying to do the research with you guys. If you like something about this company, please comment in the comment section so I know what you like about it. If you don't like something about it, please equally, I like to know what you don't like about it. Okay? This is very important for all of us to understand what you like, what you dislike, why you like it, why you don't like it, so that we can all, in this Rich TV Live revolution, in this cannabis revolution that's happening with legalization happening in Canada, the United States, Germany, Uruguay, and countries all over the world, one by one, are going to follow once they realize how much money is being generated by the Canadian government. Everybody else will follow, and Canada will be the leader. And Huge has the potential to be one of the leaders. So let's just read a little bit more here. Sonic Huang has a question. How do you feel about MedMen Enterprises? I like MedMen. I'll get into that. Let's just talk about this a little bit further. FSD Pharma intends to target all legal aspects of the cannabis industry, including cultivation, processing, manufacturing, extracts, and research and development. What? I say pardon? I mean, for 16 cents to be able to get into something like this is absolutely phenomenal. This is one of those opportunities of a lifetime that we're always waiting for. And it's extremely important that we all share this information. Because the more we share this information, guys, the more people can get involved, the more people can learn about this company, and the more people potentially can get involved. And it's extremely important for people to understand that with this Rich TV Live revolution, that what's happening here is I'm bringing you guys these winners first, not after they go up. I'm bringing them to you before they go up, while they're going up, and after they're going up. So if you go through all my videos for the last year and a half, you will see that I predicted every single one of these cannabis stocks that have exploded. I've predicted every single one of them. This is another one that I predicted before they did their IPO, and I brought them to you guys first. So I really want you guys to understand that we are doing the research here. When I'm reading these websites, this is called research. I want you guys to understand what this is, okay? This is not no joke. FSD Pharma, SCSE, Canadian Stock Exchange symbol HUGE, is transforming a large facility in Cobourg, Ontario, Canada, into the largest hydroponic indoor cannabis production and processing facility in the world, with multiple business units co-supporting each other. These are licensed units, okay? I need you to understand this is licensed at 16 cents, operating under a single roof to exploit economies of scale and operational efficiencies. Now let's talk about this license they have. A Health Canada, oh my goodness, ACMPR, ooh, I got goosebumps, licensed producer, yeah, otherwise known as Gold Standard. They got the same licenses that Aurora Cannabis has, that Canopy Growth Corp has. You need to understand what this is, what this means, okay? Nobody else is bringing this to you guys, okay? I need you guys to understand. Nobody's bringing this to you guys. I want you to really understand what we have here in front of us. Existing, not trying to have, not accumulating, not acquiring, not building, existing 630,000 square foot facility on 70 acres. Significant room for expansion, which means they can only get bigger. Oh yeah, look at this one. This is one that I really like. Debt-free. Facility is wholly owned with zero, that's right, zero debt. Oh, let's hear that word again. Zero. Can we hear it one more time? Zero. In fact, I need some celebration music, because it's not every day you find a company with a ACMPR license, 630,000 square feet, zero debt. Oh yeah, and that's right, they're at 16 cents. So when your boy Rich is bringing you the winners, and when I'm saying, if you're not winning, you're not watching, I mean, these are those types of opportunities that your boy Rich is always looking for, that make me sleep well at night, It's just one of those opportunities. Now, the only thing I do not like about this company, I want to be honest with you, they have way too many shares out. Way too many shares out. And FSD Pharma, huge. If you're watching, we would love to have you on the show. I am a shareholder, and I will continue to accumulate more shares. And if it goes down, I definitely will be buying more. So we'd love to have you on our show. We'd love to be able to speak with you directly, whether it's the CEO, CFO, directors, shareholders, consultants, institutional investors, bankers, anybody that's involved in this company. We'd love to welcome you to Rich TV Live so we can talk about this company more, so we can learn about this company more, okay? Phased in expansion. Planned stage phased expansion to be the world's largest indoor hydroponic facility. My goodness. Those are some big goals. Those are some big goals. It's time to switch it up. My goodness. I'm excited. It's a Friday and I'm excited. I'm finding these winners. And this one is just like, it falls in that category of huge. It's huge. In fact, its name is huge, but it's huge. Let's just read about how big it can get, okay? Now, this is getting me a little excited. I don't know if you guys can see my smile, but it's ear to ear. I know some of you guys are running to buy it. I know. Okay, are you ready? Because your boy Rich, I was born ready. Potential to host more than 3.8 million. Potential to host more than 3.8 million square feet of cultivation and processing area, and meet demand for the highest quality pharmaceutical grade medicinal and consumer product. So not only do they have 630 2,000 square feet at the craft facility, but they got the potential to grow to 3.8 million square feet. So that to me is spelling a big winner. It's true. This one's got chicken dinner written all over it. Investor confidence second to none. I like that because I'm an investor. It's true. All-time daily volume record of more than 78 million Class B subordinate shares traded on the CSE on the first day of trading. Wow. Largest weekly volume of over 269 million Class B subordinate shares traded on the CSE. My goodness. My goodness. And at 16 cents? Really? Let's just check that again. Is it still at 16? Because I know the people that are watching, they have a tendency to go and pick up whatever I talk about. But don't just do that, people. Do your due diligence. I want to know why you don't like it. Give me some reasons why you don't like it. I already told you why I don't like it. It's because it has too many shares. But I'm telling you why I do like it. It's because I like everything else. I like everything else that I see. Everything else that I see, in fact, I love. I have yet to see something I do not love. So let's keep going. Optimal location and growing conditions. Coburg facility situated about 1 hour from Toronto with access to Highway 401 and rail lines allowing for same-day delivery of products to patients and consumers. What? Did they say same-day delivery? Same-day delivery. I mean, right there, that alone is going to make them huge. And they got the perfect name, don't they? Huge. I feel like they just got the perfect name. Now, read all of the news. It's just insane, the news that's coming out with this company. Now, let's also read this. We strategically joint ventured with Auxly Cannabis Group, Inc., formerly Cannabis Wheaton, XLY. It's funny, I'm ahead of the game. Formerly Cannabis Wheaton Income Corp. Now, they've strategically partnered with another company that I love, XLY. Now, let's just read some of this news because this news is unbelievable. FSD Pharma Inc. announces a partnership agreement with Canara Biotech Inc. to allow for indoor grow space to increase to a combined 1.245 million square feet. The news just keeps coming and coming and coming and coming. Like, this company is partnering with a lot of people. So do your due diligence, do your research, but FSD Pharma to me looks like one of those stocks to buy. The ticker is huge. Bitcoin success, the ticker is huge. The company name is FSD Pharma, and I personally bought $1,250 worth of FSD Pharma today at 16 cents. Picked up 7,500 shares, and I feel great about it. And I think I could have got it lower. I found it and brought it to you guys when it was lower, but I didn't buy it at that time. I wanted to see how it was going to perform. I felt like they had too many shares out. It's my only concern about this company. But I've watched it perform well. I've seen it trade millions and millions of shares every day, and I just decided that I had to make my move. And I now am a proud owner of FSD Pharma, otherwise known as Huge, headquartered at the former craft plant in Coburg, Ontario, approximately an hour's drive from Toronto. FSD Pharma's management mission is to transform the facility into the largest hydroponic indoor cannabis facility in the world. FSD Pharma intends to target all legal aspects of the cannabis industry, including cultivation, processing, manufacturing, extracts, and research and development. And do your research, do your due diligence. You can contact them, see their team. Let's take a look at their team. Let's look at their team. So Thomas Fairfull is the president, CEO, and director. Let's see. Has extensive experience in guiding companies through the process of developing, testing, and commercializing products, and consulting with companies bringing innovative products to market. In 2001, Mr. Fairfull founded a company specializing in onboard hydrogen generation technology, which is being used by PepsiCo. Impressive. In 2004, he successfully raised in excess of 20 million in private equity and became president and chief executive officer of a TSX Venture Exchange traded corporation. So, looks like they are putting together a solid team. And when I invest in a company, I like to research the team. I like to research the product. I like to research the industry. And I like to make sure that the company has the potential to be a leader in all of those areas. And if they have a good, strong management team, they have a strong product. Let's take a look at strategic investment here. So you can see they have a joint venture with Auxly. They have partnered in an ongoing effort to build a world-class team, successfully execute our business plan to build the world's largest indoor growing operation. Our joint venture with Wheaton allows us to mitigate risks and deploy capital responsibly by drawing on the rich know-how of the highly experienced team at Wheaton and management team of FV Pharma. Take a look at the strategic investment with High Tide in Alberta and Saskatchewan. I love that. So they're partnering. So they're in Ontario. They're partnering with teams in Alberta and Saskatchewan. They're partnering with Canera in Montreal. Wow. Unbelievable. Like, look at this. They're partnering with Skycan in Israel. Wow. Unbelievable. So these partnerships are just unbelievable. I don't know if Huge has a US symbol. If anybody knows the US symbol for Huge, please let us know. I don't believe they have a US symbol for Huge. They may only be listed in Canada at the moment. But if there is a US symbol for Huge, please let us know. If anybody knows, please share it. Oh, there we go. FSDDF. Thank you, Bitcoin Success, for sharing that. Let's take a look at it. FSDDF. FSDDF. Oh, it's not popping up. FSDDF. Let's see here. Let's go to bar chart. Oh, there we go. Perfect. FSDDF. All right, so it's currently at 12.95 in America, and you can see the chart, and you can see that it started here when it did its IPO at 8 cents in America, went down to 7 cents, and had a high of 14.84, just under 15 cents, and has currently been a little bit lower, but it's starting to trend up at just under 13 cents. So that is the symbol in America, FSDDF. FSD Pharma is the symbol in America. Huge is the symbol in Canada. Please let me know what you guys think. Do you think that this is a winner? Do you own some of this company? Are you planning on owning some of this company? If you do own it and you like it, please let me know why. If you do not like it, equally, I would like to know why. This is their facility in Cobourg, Ontario, the former Kraft food production plant. with the potential to host over 3.8 million square feet of cultivation and processing area. I mean, this is just, I mean, they have no other word other than huge to really determine how big it is. It has the optimal environment, indoor hydroponic production facility, highest quality controlled environment for large scale pharmaceutical grade cannabis production, huge size, 620,000 square feet of existing building space, and sits on a 70-acre parcel of land, 30 acres currently utilized, and 40 acres available for development. So they still got a long ways to go here. It's unbelievable. You know what? The last time I looked, I saw that the outstanding shares was in excess of $1 billion. So it was way too much, and that's why I personally didn't buy it. And I was sitting on the sidelines and I was watching. And then I saw it climb, and I saw the amount of shares that were being purchased every day. And I thought to myself, I just got to own this company. Planned huge growth, planned stage phase development of which, once completed, is expected to have 3.8 million square feet of cultivation and related ancillary business. In-house operations, all operations under one roof, which allows for economies of scale and operational efficiency. Accessible, located 1 hour east of Toronto off the 401 highway, and has access by car or rail to Ottawa and Montreal. Fully equipped, the facility has an electrical substation on site, natural gas lines, multiple water intakes, rail lines directly into the facility, and 26 loading docks. Wow, it is just a beast of a facility, and they're just getting started. They're a brand new company. I think it's amazing. The only word that we can really use is the word huge, which is their symbol in Canada. And if you go to their website, fsdpharma.com, you can learn more about them. And you can see here, FSD Pharma is a publicly traded company on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol huge. The company and the symbol FSDDF. Frank, Sam, David, Frank in America. And it is licensed to cultivate cannabis under the Access to Cannabis for Medical Purposes regulations, otherwise known as gold standard for this green rush that's coming, the ACMPR license. And there's not that many companies in the world with this license. So you have to understand how big this license is. I believe the number is like 111. FSD, on its first day of trading on the Canadian Securities Exchange, CSE, broke the all-time record for volume traded, making the company the largest volume traded in a single first day of trading in the history of the CSE. Wow. This is just too good to be true. It's too good to be passing up. And that's why I personally bought it today. I am a proud owner of FSD Pharma, and we just went through their whole website. So please, guys, like I said, do your due diligence, do your research. Let me know, what do you think about FSD Pharma? Have a great weekend. This is your boy Rich looking at another winner, FSD Pharma. Let me know, what do you guys think? Do you think it's a winner? Do you think it has the potential to go higher? Please let me know. They've got huge news. I'm not going to go through all of it, but all I can tell you is these guys, oh yeah, they're a winner. And you heard it here first from your boy Rich. Hopefully, I'll be able to do another video about them very, very soon when they're at a much higher price. And I think that will make a lot of us very happy. What do you guys think? All right, guys, phone's blowing up, things to do, more research, more places to be. Just became a proud owner of huge, what do you think? FSDDF. FSD Pharma. Comment down below, guys. I want to know, what do you think? Building the largest indoor hydroponic facility. My goodness. It's got chicken dinner written all over it. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich, and I'm out. Peace.